Mga kahabis, today we are going to unbox Robosen's Buzz Lightyear. Simulan na natin. Struggles. Yeah! Actually, hello, my name is... Oh, it moves a finger. There's so many plastic. This is the power button.
To infinity and beyond!
It's breathing too. It's alive. Ooh, that's the wing. It goes back. What's this?
Laser at full power.
Ooh. What?
Me debo de haber estrellado y se me ha borrado la memoria. ¿Han visto mi nave espacial?
Habla español. Oh, check out the mouth. It's moving.
Document, I've been taken hostage by my own Commander Lotso. Silence, minions of Zerg.
Bilingual.
Venga conmigo, señorita. Le enseñaré las maravillas de la galaxia y juntos. Bewitching good looks.
Ooh, the eye is rolling too, like this. 3,000 parts, 75 chips, 23 motors inside. That's how crazy it is. It has to be $600. Connect.
I got it.
Oh, good, you got it.
No time to explain. Attack.
This is the action mode.
Not today, Zerg.
1, 2, 3, 4. I can also walk backward. Cha, cha, cha. They have action program, so there's 29 of them. We can try the classic one. Infinity and beyond. Ah! More like, looks like a martial art though. Look like wushu. Ooh.
Somewhere in that pat of stuffing is a toy who taught me that life's only worth living if you're being loved by a kid.
What's wrong?
What's going on?
Eh?
Ow! What are you doing?
I don't know. It's Andy on it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, Buzz.
Roger that.
Shut down.
Farewell.
Okay. Go to sleep now.